All right, lesson 2. Square length has an area of 81. Select all that the side length can be. So the number you circle times itself will equal 81. And I have 2 answers that will equal. Gabby, what do you got? B and C is correct. Square root of 81 times square root of 81 is 81. And 9 times 9 is, of course, 81 as well. Question number 2. Write the exact value of the side length if the square has an area of the following. So the area is 36. That means each side is 6. Bless you. Area is 37. How come we're not so quick to answer that one? Yeah, it doesn't come out very nice. It does say exact, so it doesn't want a decimal. So I am forced to write it as a radical, just square root of 37. That's all you can do. It doesn't come out nice. How about C? C comes out nice. What's the square root of 100?
10.
Square root of 9? 3. D. Come out nice? No square root of 2 off the top of your head? Lucas, what's square root of 2? Nope.
Is it 1.5?
Nope. It's like 1.41 with a whole bunch of decimals after that. You don't know it. That's the point. All right, you gotta write it as a radical. How about this one? Does that come out nice? I don't know. What's 0.01 times 0.01? There it is. So that one comes out nice. 11? Not gonna work. Gotta write it as a square root. So if it doesn't have a perfect square root, it's not a perfect square that we wrote down the other day, can't do it. All right. You have 3 squares, A, B, and C. And it wants to know which is which. So basically, what is the smallest number there? Okay, just a reminder. Square root of 25 is 5. So that's obviously going to be more than 5. Square root of 9 is 3. So that one's going to be a little bit more than 3 because it's 11. So then I'm going to guess the smallest number total. This is going to be the smallest. So that would be A. It does say explain. Well, it's going to be a little more than 3. Square B is going to be 4.2. Square C is going to be square root of 26. Why? Because it's a little more than 5. Okay, just so put them in order from smallest to biggest. 4 is the opposite of one you've already done. Now it gives you the side length and it wants to know the area, so it's your job to square it. Parker, 1 squared and 5 squared, please.
I don't know, it's 0.5.
1 squared is 1 times 1.
1.
Why are you saying I don't know? 5 times 5?
25?
I think so. Done.
Okay.
Adam, 3 times 3. 7 times 7.
49.
Done. C, Claire, 11 times 11.
110.
8 times 8.
64.
How are we doing on these?
Good.
Just multiplying a number by itself. 0.1 times 0.1.
0.4.
3.5 times 3.5. Again, make sure you label. area is squared. 5, how much more area is there in Russia than Canada? So I'm taking Russia divided by Canada. Divide the front numbers, subtract the exponents. End up with 7.12 times 10 to the 6. Yeah. How much more? Did that one incorrectly. That should be a subtraction problem. Doesn't say how many times bigger. How much more? Subtraction. Exponents the same, make them both 6, and that's what you will get. B. Asian countries on the list are Russia, China, India. American countries are Canada, US, and Brazil. Which has the greater total, the 3 Asian or the 3 American countries? The Asian countries, you should get this. American countries, you should get this if you add them up. 8-0, excuse me. So the answer would be the Asian countries. Pretty close, but that one is bigger. Question number 6, which ones are equal to that? I have 4 answers there. Taylor, can you give me one? I have C. Layton? I do not have B. Remember, it's not going to be negative. Bethany? A works. A is the same. Othniel? E? That's correct. And one more. Ian?
F.
Correct. Those are the 4 I have as well.